I click on Generate Report, wait for a few seconds. Once this is done, I get my most frequent senders as filters here, sorted for me. Now I can double click on any filter and read these emails together. An interesting feature is delete. Say I want to delete all emails from this sender. When I click on this button, it will delete all emails that are visible on the current page. Or I can use Super Delete, which will delete multiple pages of emails automatically. Hey there, I'm excited to show you a quick demo on Clear Mail for Gmail, which is a Chrome extension for decluttering your Gmail inbox. So how do I get started? It's really easy. After installing Clear Mail from the Chrome Web Store, head over to Gmail and you'll see this pop-up icon. I'm currently on my social tab. Let me click this icon. I have two tabs here. One of them is Clear Mail tab, which is currently empty. This is expected because I just did a fresh install. So I'll begin by clicking Generate Report. This will work in the background for a few seconds. Quick note, we don't need any OAuth permissions here. All processing, reading of email metadata happens locally on your device, and no email data ever leaves your machine, giving you complete privacy. Once this is done, I have all my most frequent senders sorted here as filters. I can click on Start button. This will load the first filter. And you can see all my emails from the sender, in this case LinkedIn, are here for me. Now I can delete these emails or read them together or even move them to another Gmail label. And now I can hit Next to move to the next mail filter. Similarly, you can use the previous button. I also have a nice feature to quickly delete off emails that I don't want to keep in my inbox. So let's say I want to delete all my emails by the sender. So I can just click on Delete All on page, and this will delete all my emails on the current page. Now let me move to another filter where I have multiple pages of emails. Here I can use Super Delete, which is another cool feature. When I click on it, it will delete multiple pages of emails. So you see, cleaning your inbox has become really easy, and it works without compromising your privacy. I also want to cover one more feature, which is Saved Mail Filters. These mail filters are your persistent mail filters, sort of bookmarks that you can use at any point of time. You can add, edit, or delete your saved mail filters from here, and also from the report, which you can open by clicking this button. For example, I have this email that keeps popping up, for which I created a filter. So let me double click this. All filtered emails appear here, and I can just quickly delete them off. A quick tip, if the ClearMail pop-up is not responding, just refresh your Gmail tab and ClearMail should start working again. And remember, if you need any assistance, you can send us an email or head to the ClearMail Chrome Web Store page and click on Visit Support Hub at the bottom of the page. That's it. Ready to clean up your inbox? Install ClearMail today. It's free.